What is this, Claire? It's metal. It echoes. Can you turn the camera a little bit towards me? No, that is really good. Right there. Yeah. So, I got this package. Can you leave it down? Thanks. Why don't you come sit here? Okay. You need to angle that. Hey. Have a seat. Anyways. God forbid she does anything socially acceptable. Sit down. So, it's a present from Jen and Carter.
Cater.
Have a seat.
1 minute, 5 seconds.
Don't bump that chair, please. At least one person out of 7.4 billion thinks you are great. And there are probably more. Happy 40th birthday, Jeff. This can keep you busy until we can all celebrate you. Love, Jen.
Okay.
W02260297.
What?
KTPR-0001-1BR. In case you were wondering.
I didn't know that.
What do we got? Microbrewed, do-it-yourself beer brewing kit. Do you know about this? No? Okay. Wasn't sure. Got the inside. I'm not going to go into all of the details. This is, I'm not sure how this works. This looks like a, yep, capper. Put the old bottle caps on. This is crazy. Centennial Smash IPA. This is where all the, this is the good stuff. Right here. Oh, shoot. I opened it back upside down. I don't know why I did it that way. Oh, really? Look at this. You got your old hops. Who could forget? Ah, you got your classic fizz drops.
In your mouth.
Looks like is open. Hope I didn't tip that. And then, I'm going to say this wrong. You got your Breeze Pilsen Light dried malt extract. This is where all the magic goes. Right through this guy. Ah, you got your old Pilsen malt extract syrup. And who could forget? Your active brewing yeast.
I was trying to.
That's where all the magic is. That's where all the pooping goes.
I was gonna say it was ranch, but.
So, Northern Brewer Centennial Smash IPA. 1 gallon homebrew recipe kit. It goes through all the details, which is a lot to read.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, okay. This has got
August.
It's got all the details. This is really cool.
It's August.
Ah, the fizz drops are carbonation tabs.
Chicken nugget tabs.
It's for the fizzing. That is awesome. Some fizz tab remnants in there.
Fizz tab.
And then we got
uncontrollable answers.
Oh, this is for the bottle filler, okay. Pretty sweet. Yeah.
Yeah, no wonder it smells so bad.
Good thing I got like 100 bottles ready to go.
Good.
And
Northern Brewer.
this? Oh, this is the siphon. Let's get it out of the
Celsius?
the bucket for bottling.
Chuck the bucket.
Pretty sweet. Science. And what is this? This must be the Little Big Mouth Bubbler. Can you take the box, please? Take the box.
Can I have it now?
No, you can't have beer yet.
No, I mean the box.
Yeah. Whoa, what is this? Oh, okay. This is the.
That's yours.
This is where all the fermentation's gonna go.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. That is
Do you have any
glass. Shoot, I hope I didn't just bend that. Ah, okay.
Can I have this one too?
Not yet. I mean.
Can I have the big one though?
Yeah, you can have the big one.
Yay, boy!
Oh, is this not threaded?
Oh no.
It isn't. I don't want to break it. That's interesting. How does that come off without? I don't want to snap. It's plastic, so I don't want to snap it. Huh. Carrying heart. Using a carrying heart. Wow. Oh, it was threaded. Just took a little more spinning. My bottle caps.
Whoa!
Bottle caps.
Every time.
An essential part of beer not getting flat. That's for the fermenting. Lets the pressure out.
I like fish.
I like turtles.
I like trains.
No rinse,
And
oxygen wash. Oh, okay. Star sand is what I've used in the past. That's a stopper. Probably the siphon tube.
Probably the Celsius tube.
AKA stick this up your nose with rubber hose. You got classic paper. Yeah, so then I'll put my 1 gallons of beer in here. That's pretty cool. I'm excited because I've only done 1 batch, heavily assisted by Dave, and that was October, although I'm technically still drinking it. But we haven't brewed since then. Well, he has, I haven't. And we can't. You got a bug in your hair. And you got a bug right there.
What?
And we can't probably brew for a while, even though I still think it's an essential
Can you get it out, please?
activity. So this is pretty awesome. I'm excited. I got to read through all these instructions. The good news is it's detailed, because nothing's more annoying than when you're like trying to do something with chemistry, and
you gotta read 30.
They expect you to know things, because I don't know a whole lot. But yeah, that was really awesome.
Can you help?
Thanks. This is funny because I actually needed one of these tools.
I just wanted to say.
The capper, and a lot of the stuff actually can be reused, even if I decide, in the future to make 5-gallon buckets. A lot of these tools and things like that. Not the yeast, because that only lasts until September. But yeah, so a lot of these things I can reuse, which is really cool, and I think it's an awesome gift. I had no idea that you could just ship everything and get to work. Do you know what I need though? I have to get my big pot out to boil the water. Most of it's boiling water. It's just so exciting. But yeah. What do you think, Claire? You ready to drink some beer?
No.
No? Oh, that box is in the way of the camera. Okay. Well, I appreciate the gift, guys. I'm excited. And I'm thinking, since I've had Claire for the past 3 weekends, maybe this weekend is a good weekend to get this stuff going. Close it. So I want to say thanks again. This is awesome. I hope I don't mess it up. Thanks.